Irfan Özdoğan is a real-life, modern-day Turkish cowboy. Boots and all. His small corral, nestled amidst the rocky wonderland, a menagerie.
Welcome, welcome. How are you?
Amazing. Dogs, horses.
Thank you, welcome.
Wild horses have roamed these mountains for centuries. Legend says it's their presence that gave Cappadocia its name.
Cappadocia means land of the beautiful horses.
Are these the horses?
Yeah, beautiful horses. You can hang my hair.
Hang your hair.
This is on your right feet.
Perfect.
Perfect. And I have this jacket for you.
Appropriately attired, I meet my new companion.
This is Melek.
Melek?
Melek's meaning, it's English, angel.
You and me are going to be good friends. It's a few years since I was on a horse. It's like riding a bike, they say. You never forget. Fairy chimneys, here we come. Picture perfect day. Just letting the mind wander and enjoying it. Sensational.
Hoş kızım, gazel kızım, güzel kızım, benim kızım.
Irfan may be a horse whisperer, but I'm under no illusion who's in charge between me and Malik. And it's not the two-legged creature. Malik knows I'm far too busy, wrapped up in the enchantment of the fairy chimneys, so he'll have his own way. Oh my word, that is stunning. The horses have taken me so far, but now I must venture onwards to understand Cappadocia.